101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Muhammad Yusril Abidin. And I'm already with BPEC Makassar here. BPEC?
Oh, wow, bright and busy.
Okay, so as usual, every single Tuesday night we are going to do discussion. And of course we will discuss about an interesting topic.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so do you know what is the topic, guys, for tonight? Is it viral?
Yeah,
Yes,
this is the
viral news.
Right?
But before that, I'd like to invite you to introduce yourself one by one, and then after that, you have to introduce what actually BPEC is. Okay, I'll start from Wahid. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My full name is Abdul Wahid bin Pamukas. You can call me Wahid.
Hi, Wahid.
Yes.
Hi.
I come from Suminasa. I study at Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Okay. Okay. Any more?
No.
Okay.
Okay, hi smart listener. My name is Achang, but my friend call me also Achang, right? I'm from Baru,
Okay.
and I also Semit Wahid from Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Thank you.
Okay. So, what about BPEC?
Okay, so actually I want to invite you guys to join with us in activity BPEC Makassar every Sunday, namely weekly meeting BPEC, and it is the good news because it is free, and there are certain activity we will do in there, such as you can introduce yourself, like it is activity namely who am I, and the next we have like ice breaking. We will play games, and I believe that it could be improve your like vocabulary and etc. But thirdly, the most important thing in the BPEC is D&D, debating and discussion, because we will discuss about one topic, and after that we will debate. I really believe it could be improve your public speaking, critical thinking, because we diverse in there. So that's why we will discuss with another perspective, and it will be improve your knowledge. And number 4, we have like building skill. We will learn about the grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and etc. But number 5, we have also like entertainment. You can show your ability like dancing, singing, and etc. And the last, we have announcement. The last but not least, because you will gain a lot of information in there, like scholarship. So it's very important, and I would like to invite you guys to join in our activity in lovely Sunday meeting BPEC.
Okay. So is it can be accessed for everyone?
Yeah, sure. For everyone, even if like you child, old, adult, and etc., you can join with us. And there's no requirement actually.
Okay, so what are you waiting for, guys? So you can join us in Benteng, Rotterdam, right?
Benteng,
every
Rotterdam.
single Sunday at 10 until 2 p.m. Okay, so let's move to the discussion section, and we are going to talk about what actually viral news. So the topic is viral news, and I will go for the first question. I'll go with Wahid. So, what do you think about viral news? Do you find that viral news is an interesting topic?
Yeah, I think viral news is the interesting topic. And I think like maybe like Lato in Makassar.
Yes, exactly.
Or World Cup in the world, football World Cup, and etc. I think, I'm interested in about it.
Oh, okay. So thank you very much. So what about you, bro?
So if we are talking about the
viral
news, I think we have to know about the definition of that. Like viral news, when it I'm like viral, when it comes, you can influence people to show you, like perhaps you have ability or you have uniqueness, right? Like I think right now it's not totally hard to be viral.
Okay,
Like if you have
okay.
like ability, also perhaps you can singing or dancing like in TikTok, you can be viral as long as
Okay.
it is attractive, right?
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
I
it.
don't know what actually but yeah, I don't know. Sometimes we forget about the knowledge and education. We are more prefer to watch people dancing,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
So that's why
Exactly.
there are a lot of people. There are a lot of people can be viral. It depends on their uniqueness. But I think viral also never like the good things, right? Sometimes the bad things. There are a lot of
And it's mostly the bad.
yeah,
thing.
mostly the bad things.
Yes,
Exactly,
exactly.
like the case right now, right?
Okay.
There are a lot of like the policy from the government, case from the one police in Indonesia, and can be viral, right? So I think if you wanna be a viral, it's very easy, right? You can you can be dancing, for example,
Yes.
or something like that. So the conclusion is if you wanna be a viral, you have to you're supposed to be have ability and uniqueness, and yeah,
And self-confident, of course.
yeah, self confidence is very important, right? I
Okay.
think that's all.
Yeah, I get the point. So, like, there are a lot of viral news that already exist in this 2022, and I'll ask you about what is the news that you really like and why it's so. Like, there are a lot of news, and what is the news that is become your favorite news? Okay, I will go. Itachi.
Okay, if you, right now I'm really like there are a lot of news. I like Argentina can enter
Okay,
into my
okay.
final because I'm really love Messi in Argentina actually. but yeah, I think it is related with Messi, right? Because Messi in the Argentina is him country, so that's why I'm really great. I'm really proud for that. So, but I think. Yeah, I think only the one things I'm really attracted to watch right now, like World Cup,
World
because only for 4 kali for one empat kali setahun, right? I think that's all.
Like just 4 times like just once in 4 years.
Yeah, like so. What about you, brother?
Okay, for me the most favorite, yeah, it's just like the same as you, like because my favorite, I love football, and my favorite athlete is of course Lionel Messi, and because Lionel Messi in Argentina, so I love Argentina.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm into Argentina, and because Argentina is already in a semi-final, they defeat Netherlands.
Yeah.
So that's one of my favorite news that exists now. Yeah, that's all. And so what about Wahid? What do you think? What is your favorite news in this era, like
Yeah.
2022?
I think same with you, football. Yeah,
Okay.
actually, FIFA World Cup.
Okay. So all of us love football.
Yeah,
Okay.
we love football. I think I support Morocco.
Oh,
Morocco.
Morocco.
Oh, okay.
Morocco,
Like-
yeah. I think in FIFA World Cup in this era it's interesting. Yeah, I don't believe like maybe you want to be you have to want to lose, but actually we can see like Japan, Japan, Morocco,
The Asian country.
I think that's I think one the most important actually especially in football like teamwork.
Teamwork.
Kerjasama.
Okay, so what is there any like moral value that you can get from like Morocco? Like Morocco, we can say that they just become pro player just in this World Cup.
Yeah, I think it's like one record in Africa continent. Yeah, because we never know like in Africa continent they have like one or two like the best country in especially in football, but now in World Cup, yeah, we know like wow, it's interesting. Wow, wow, it's unstoppable. Like Morocco, yeah.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, maybe I believe if Morocco can be
The
the
winner.
winner of
Okay.
the World Cup, I'm so proud of it.
Okay, thank you very much. So, because we have break section, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned in the second section.